Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add friends in a game on Roblox. So select a game and play it. Then you are going to go to the top left corner of your screen here. And as you can see, there are a bunch of usernames. For instance, you want to be friends with a person. You're just going to select add friend. And just hope, I guess, that they will accept your friend request. And that is how you can basically add friends in a game on Roblox. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.